Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button now. Hi guys! We have another limited collection from Japan that we're going to unbox for today's vlog, which is Yuki. For those who don't know yet, Yuki and Hirono have the same artist, which is Lang. The story behind Yuki by Lang centers on the artist Lang's exploration of the changeable nature of the concept of self and human emotions embodied in the character. Yuki is a vessel for the artist to communicate a message about emotional resilience, the beauty of human sentimentality, and the process of healing and moving forward in life. And we have plus blind boxes or pop beans, which is the Lucky Cat. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. So before we're going to proceed with the full set of Yuki, let me start with the pop beans of Lucky Cat. I have two packs of these pop bean Lucky Cats, and let me show you. I just found this one in Loft in Hokkaido, and I just got two. And this collection I didn't see here in the Philippines. That's why I decided to get two. And they have two for 14 confirmed figures and one secret. I just don't know who's the secret here. I believe it's Dimu. So from this lineup, let me show you. They have these Lilios, Crybaby, Satire Rory, Nori, Hachipupu, Kubo, Ziga, Molly, Skull Panda, Dimu, Labubu, and Sweet Bean, Paki, and Nyota. So I want to get Labubu, of course, which is the good luck. Lilios, the fortune cat. Satire Rory looks so interesting. Of course, I want to get Molly and Skull Panda. So let's see, guys. I don't know if how many pop beans are inside of this pack, but I guess they have like 5 pop beans each pack. So let's see. I'm so excited. Which are the lucky cats here? Okay. So they have this like 5 mini packs that we're going to see, and this one feels so small, and they are look like a candies. So let's see. Let me unpack this one. Our first pop bean. I just hope we don't get a duplicate from this lineup. One, two, three. And we got, oh, who's this? Okay, let me check first the lineup. Oh, we got Hachi Pupu. Look, guys. We got Hachi Pupu, and he's so cute. That treasure. Let me show you. He's so small, very cute one. Like he's holding this golden pouch, and he's so brown. He looks like a brown cat here. So yeah, what can you say about this one? Oops, and I dropped it. Okay, a very lucky cat, and we dropped the first one. So let's proceed now with the second pop bean. One, two, three. Oh, okay, we got Pucky. Black cat Pucky with purple hair and ears. So let's proceed now with the third pop bean, and let me set aside this trashes on the side. Our third pop bean. One, two, three. Oh, we got Molly, the fortune cat. I really like this one. This is so cute. The fortune cat. Look the details of the back. Very nice one. Emerald eyes. Okay. Our fourth pop bean. One, two, three. Oh, who's this? Oh, we got Nori. Best wishes. Gray cat with pink hair and pink ears. Okay, let's proceed. Our last pop bean for the first pack that we unpacked a while ago. One, two, three. Okay. Oh, satire. Satire Rory! The pink one! I like the hair. Looks like a bubbles. Look the back hair. Very cute details. The pink cat. Okay. And let's proceed with the second pack. Okay, another 5 pieces of pop beans. I just hope we got a secret and lucky enough to get one. Our sixth pop bin. One, two, three. Oh, we got Siga. I like Siga here. The lucky star. Look, I like the details of the stripe of the cat on the head. Look, it's so small. And Siga here looks so cute. Let me put this one here. Okay, we still have four left. We still didn't get. Okay, I really want to see Lilios. Lilios Crybaby. We still don't have one. Kubo, Skull Panda, Dimu, Labubu, Sweet Bean, Paki, and Nyota, and the secret. One, two, three. Oh, we got Kubo! The white hair Kubo and orange cat. Orange and brown cat combined. This one's so cute. They are so all cute catties. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7 lucky cats. And our eighth cat is okay. Is this duplicate? Ni. Oh no, this is Nyota. Okay, we got Nyota the pleasure. Very cute. Let me put here Nyota. Okay, last two. Let's see. Last two pop bean. One, two, three. Oh, Dimu. We got Dimu here. And this is Comfy Life. Let me put Dimu here on the side. Our last pop bean, the lucky one. I just hope it Lilios. This is Lilio or Skull Panda. Or Labubu. One, two, three. Oh, Labubu! We got the Labubu one. Wow, the good luck. And I like it. It's a pearlescent white. I guess this is the best one. From this lineup, I like the color. It's pearlescent white. Very nice one. We didn't get the secret. So my favorites from this lineup that we unpack for today's vlog, of course, I like Labubu. Very cute. I like, okay, I like Nyota. No, Nyota is cute. A very simple one. I just like Ziga, Molly, okay, Kubo, and Satire. These five. I like these five pop bean cats. What can you say about these guys from the pop beans that we unbox or unpack for today's vlog? If you have other favorites from this lineup, please comment down below. Very cute! So guys, let's proceed with Yuki Design and Sculpted by Lang Japanese Style 06. So this is the mother box. I really like the packaging of this one. Looks very premium, very minimalist. I like this translucent effect of this one. And they have like 2468 confirmed figures and might get a secret which has a probability of 1 over 96. What? Wait. 1 over 96 and there is super secret ratio edition which is 1 over 192 and this is the lineup which is the starry sky, the beckoning cat, colorful butterfly, Japanese style rabbit, mossy Jesus statue, wind chime, inari fox, and competito. Okay, this is my first time to unbox. I no, maybe this is my second time to unbox a Yuki figures. The first one that I did was the Happy New Year New Year's Tiger, I believe. If you watch my previous vlog, and I really like the one that I unboxed from this Yuki's figure. So when I visited Japan, I decided to get this full set because I really want to see how beautiful Yuki is because I'm a fan of Hirono and the designer of Hirono is Lang. They have the same designers of these figures. So let's see guys, from each single boxes, they don't have like who's the confirmed figures, but yeah, let's see. I really like the minimalist effect of this one. So if I'm going to choose from this lineup, of course, we're going to get all of this lineup unless we get a secret. But from this lineup, I wanna see the mossy Jesus statue, the colorful butterfly, the beckoning cat, the starry sky. I actually like them all. I don't know why. So let's see. I'm so excited. Let me start the one in the middle. And let me unbox this one at the bottom part. And surprisingly, when I saw this one, I was surprised that the box is so small. So definitely, we are going to unbox a small figure, which is very unlikely for the ones that I unboxing, like the Hirono figures. And I'm going to compare them now, how big the Hirono and how small the Yuki figure is. Though we unboxed a pop beans a while ago. So let's see. Let's see, and I'm so excited for the first figure of Yuki, Japanese style. Okay, oops, a snack. Let me pull out the foil first. So this is the foil. They just use a, the typical foil at Pop Mart. So let's see. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this one, but since this is the same artist of Hirono, definitely this one will be very artistically done and very different from the other figures. So let's see, guys. One, two, three. Our first Yuki. Oh, okay. I thought that this will be like a translucent figure, but let's see. Let me pull out and complete all the inclusions. We have this red string here. I just don't know if where should I put the string? I don't know. But let me see the art card. Okay. I really like the art card. Oops, and I dropped the art card. Okay. And this is a very small art card with this translucent effect. So we got the Inari Fox. Okay. So this red string should be like a necklace of this figure, which is the Inari Fox. Okay, this is how it is. Okay. I just noticed that the Yuki looks like a fat Godzilla or a ghost. I like the intricate details of the scale or the thorns or horns at the back of the reptile. It looks like Yuki is a reptile one because of these details at the back of the tail, and there's some scales on the side. He looks like a ghost, like there is a um like a cat horn on this side. He's like a white reptile with the no, like a red um finishing on the hand, or also red like a blood on the horns. Yeah, this is Inari Fox. I just don't know what's the meaning of Inari Fox. Oops. And I move my camera because it's so slippery. This figure looks like a um porcelain porcelain figure, but it's not. It's a PVC type. So let me put this one here. And what can you say about Inari Fox? Please comment down below. So let's proceed with our second box for Yuki. So if you can see, we unboxed the Inari Fox, and you can see the difference of the Hirono, the pianist, how big Hirono is and how small. Smaller than the actual figure of Hirono. So let's see. Let me open the second one and let me unbox this one at the bottom part. Oops. So let's see if we are going to like the second figure of Yuki. Snack. Oh, don't give me the spoiler yet. Our second Yuki. One, two, three. Oh, it's blue and it's a translucent one. Look, there is a string that you can hang, and there is, I'm not sure if this is like a letter, a like an envelope one, and this one's like a bell. Very nice, very different. Um, hmm, Very weird figure. There is a pink bell on the inside of this. This one is a hollow figure, but you can see the eyes and the mouth of Yuki here. He looks like a glacier one, glacier eyes. So let me see the art card. Okay, and we got wind chime. Wow, this one's so different. It's a wind chime, like you can hang on your at the front door, on your front door, or maybe this coming holiday Christmas on your Christmas tree, and it rings the bell. You can hear it, right? Very nice one. And we got the wind chime. So what can you say about this one, guys? It's a hollow figure. They use a translucent material here. He looks like an ice. A very nice one. Very nice art card with a pink bell inside. And I'm not sure if this is an envelope one, but yeah, give me your thoughts about this one, guys. You can comment down below. Let's proceed with our third box of Yuki, and I hope I'll get the one that I really want to see first, or are we lucky enough to get a secret? Okay, don't want to see any spoiler yet. That's why I'm closing my eyes while I'm pulling out the figure. One, two, three. Oh, we got the one with the moss. I guess this is the one that I really like to see. It's like a marble stone with some moss on the other side, and on other parts of Yuki. I really like this one. Very cute. This one looks like a marble stone, and this is like a tree, and there's some, you know, I forgot, like a veins or a roots of a tree, and the moss is like a flat finish. There's a lot of moss around Yuki here, especially on the tail. I like the details of the reptile skin or thorns at the back of the tail. Very nice one. I actually like this. Very artistically done. Let me show you the art card. So we got the Mossy Jesus statue. Very cool. What can you say about this figure, guys? You will definitely love this one. A very good artwork that you can collect and add to your collection by Artislan. So we are halfway through, almost halfway through, and this is our fourth box for Yuki, Japanese style. So let me unbox this one now. We're still not getting a luck to get a secret. So I just hope you got one because they have two secret here. I just don't know who's the secret, but definitely a very different from the one that we have that we're going to unbox for this 8 confirmed figure. So our fourth figure, guys. One, two, three. This one is heavy, by the way. One, two, three, go! Oh, I guess this is the Starry Night. Yeah, this one is another uh, hollow figure inside and translucent material. And yeah, we got Starry Sky. Starry Sky, by the way, it's not Starry Night. And I really like this one. There are some like balls, white, blue, dark blue balls, like a shaker. And there are some blue sands inside. This is Starry Sky. It really represents the starry sky, because if you can see also the figure of Yuki looks like a star, and the colors, and if you can see there's some like shimmery finish and glitters like a night sky. There's a lot of silver blue glitters here from all over the body of Yuki, and still you can see the details of the scales, and the eyes of Yuki here is like, it's yellow like a starry sky night, and even his teeth like a four teeth here. Nice one. I really like this one. It's cool. What can you say about starry sky, guys? You can comment down below. Okay, guys, we are halfway through, and let me give you a recap first. So we got Starry Sky already. We got the Mossy Jesus statue, the wind chime, and the Inarifax. So we're still looking for the beckoning cat, the colorful butterfly, the Japanese style rabbit, and the competito. And the secrets, two secrets here. So let's see, and let me proceed with our fifth box. This one's quite, very full. You can feel the figure inside. And let me unbox the fifth figure. I hope it's a secret. Okay. Oops, no picking for the card. Our fifth figure is. Okay. Oops. Oh, wow. This one is so different. And it's like a shaker again with, some gold bars inside. Wow. This one is cute. Let me see the art card. So we got Beckoning Cat. We got Beckoning Cat, guys. And look the details. It's like a gradient finish of white to clear and with some gold glitters inside and some gold bars. Very nice one. What can you say about this figure, guys? I guess there's some string also inside, like a necklace, red necklace. Wow. This one is so cool. Another cute figure. Let me give me your thought, guys. You can comment down below. So, guys, let's proceed with our six box of Yuki. And surprisingly, they're also cute and, adorable and weird at the same time. Like, it reminds me of some characters in Japanese anime. They are also cute, like small ghosts. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but if you have some thoughts about this one, guys, you are free to comment down below. Our six figure. One, two, three. Another pink one? Oh, it's a pink one. Okay. I mean, it's another shaker. And we got Competito. We got Competito. No. You know, I kept saying Competito, but it's Competo. It's so funny. It's Competo, not Competito. Why? Yeah, it's Competo. Why I said Competito? Anyway, yeah, this one's like a gummy finish. Inside, there's a lot of I'm not sure what's inside of this figure, like some jellyfish with a lots of different colors like orange, pink, purple, and blue. It looks like she is a mother of this Yuki, and there's a lot of babies inside, and it's glittery as well, and it's a shaker, and this one is so soft. The bottom part is so soft. I just don't know if this one is removable. Like you can remove this one and you can remove what's inside of it. Let me check this one. Yeah, this one is another soft one at the bottom part. Yeah, they look like good together. Like this is the mommy Yuki and the daddy Yuki. What can you say about this one, guys? The competito, not the competito. You can comment down below. So guys, we are down to our second to our last box and we're still looking for the Japanese style rabbit and the colorful butterfly. Let's see if these last two boxes are beautiful as well. And I'm so excited to unbox this one. And let me see. And let's see if this will be another adorable figure of Yuki. Let me check it and let's be surprised if this will be a secret. I hope I'll get a secret from this, you know, from these figures or series because, I'm starting to like Yuki and I like collecting weird figures now. So let's see. Where's the open saya? Here. Our seventh figure. One, two, three. Oh! We got the Japanese style rabbit. Yay! That's why, because there's a lot of what's inside is a Japanese style rabbit or a Japanese rabbit, and it's a shaker like a great glacier finish as well, but it's a mint green, and it looks like a cherry blossom because of this flowers design in front of Yuki, and it's a hollow figure as well. Yeah, let me show you the art card. We got the Japanese style rabbit, and there's a lot of rabbit inside of Yuki here. Yeah, I just don't know what is Lang trying to, to explain or to deliver a message from Yuki's character. But if you know something about Yuki, guys, you can comment down below. So this is our last box. And we're still looking for colorful butterfly. So let's see if this box or figure will complete the series or we are lucky enough to get either of the secrets. So let's see, guys. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time because we might get a secret or not. Hmm, I'm shaking it. Maybe that's the snack inside. Yeah. No, but it's a shaker as well. Look, you can hear it. Hmm. Another shaker. So this might be the colorful butterfly because I don't know if the other two secrets are shaker as well. So let's see. Our final figure. One, two, three. Oh! And we got I guess this is the colorful butterfly. Yeah. Now I know. Because if you can see inside, those shaker or beads are butterflies. A lot of butterflies inside. And the finish of this one is like a gradient finish. Look like a luminous one as well. I'm not sure if these are like glow in the dark. And we didn't get the secret. We get the final figure, which is the colorful butterfly. And this one is so cute. I like this one actually. Very nice one. It looks like they have the same finishing of the art card. We got this colorful butterfly. I just hope that they put a different colors of butterfly so that it will match the name. It should be colorful butterflies, but it's not. It's just like one palette of color only. So, what can you say about the final figure, guys? The colorful butterfly Yuki. You can comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. A special edition or limited collection from Japan. And we have this Yuki and we have this Pop Bean Lucky Cats. So my favorites here are the ones in the middles. The four Yukis. I really like I guess this is the solid one that I really really like, which is the most. It looks like a marble. And of course the Starry Night and the wife of the Starry Night, which is the um so this is the Competo, and I like the colorful butterfly as well. For the pop beans, I really like especially the Labubu because I think Labubu is the only figure that has a complete like a pearlescent finish figure. I like Molly, Ziga, Kubo, and Satire Rory. And if you have other favorites from what I unboxed for today's vlog, you are free to comment down below. And if you had fun watching my vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. And if you have some requests that you want me to unbox in the future, please just comment down below and give me your thoughts. So, and once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!